Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find t value. Solution: 5 power t plus 5 power t equal to 100. Now we are going to take 5 power t common. So 5 power t open bracket 1 plus for this 1 equal to 100. Now 5 power t times 1 plus 1 is 2 equal to this 100. Now we are going to divide by 2 on both sides. So here 2, here right hand side 2. Now this 2 cancels this. So we have 5 power t equal to 100 by 2. Here to simplify this, we'll get here 50. So 5 power t equal to 50. Now take a log on both sides. So log 5 power t equal to log 50. Now we are going to apply this log power formula, that is log m power n equal to n log m. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get t log 5 equal to log 50. Now we are going to divide by log 5 on both sides. Log 5 here, here log 5. Now this log 5 cancels this. T equal to log 50 by log 5. Now this 50 can be written as 50 equal to 5 times of 10. So applying this here, we'll get t equal to log 5 times of 10 by log 5. Now we are going to apply this log product formula, that is log ab equal to log a plus log b. This we are going to apply here. So t equal to log 5 plus log 10 in denominator log 5. Now this can be written as a plus b by c equal to a by c plus b by c. This we are going to apply here. So we'll get t equal to log 5 by log 5 plus log 10 by log 5. Now this log 5 cancels this. So here 1. Now t equal to 1 plus log 10 by log 5. Now this 10 can be written as 5 times of 2. So t equal to 1 plus log 5 times 2 by this log 5. Again we are going to apply log product formula here. So we'll get t equal to 1 plus log 5 plus log 2 by log 5. Now t equal to 1 plus log 5 plus log 2 by log 5. This can be written as a plus b by c equal to a by c plus b by c. This we are going to apply here. So t equal to 1 plus log 5 by log 5 plus log 2 by log 5. Now this log 5 cancels this, here 1. So t equal to 1 plus this 1 plus log 2 by this log 5. Now t equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 plus log 2 by log 5. Now we are going to apply this formula here. Is log a by log b equal to log a base b. This formula we are going to apply here. So t equal to 2 plus log 2 base 5. This is the t value. Now we are going to verify this. Verify with the equation 5 to the power of t plus 5 to the power of t equal to 100. Here the t value is t equal to 2 plus log 2 base 5. This we are going to apply here and verify this. So 5 to the power of t plus 5 to the power of t equal to 100. Now this can be written as 5 to the power of 2 equal to 100. Now 5 to the power of t times 2 equal to 100. Now here we are going to apply t here. 5 to the power of 2 plus log 2 base 5 times 2 equal to 100. Now we are going to apply this formula here. Express identity that a power m plus n equal to a power m times a power n. This express identity we are going to apply here. So we'll get 5 to the power of 2 times 5 to the power of log 2 base 5 times this 2 equal to 100. Now 5 to the power of 2 is 25 times of this 2 times of 5 to the power of log 2 base 5 equal to 100. Now this formula we are going to apply here. A power log b base a equal to b. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get 25 times of 2 is 50 times of, as per this formula here it is 2 equal to 100. Now 50 times 2 is 100 equal to 100. So LHS equal to RHS. So this is verified. Thanks for watching this video.